Imagine you have two piles of debt, and you can only put a certain amount towards paying them off each month. Should you start with the smallest pile or the biggest one? Let's uncover which method could save you thousands. First up, let's talk about the debt snowball method. Here, you pay off your debts starting with the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on the others. It's like climbing a snow-covered hill. Each small win gives you more momentum and confidence to tackle bigger hills later. Next is the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This can save you more money in the long run because high-interest debt grows faster. Think of it as dousing fires starting from the hottest one. Let's debunk a common myth. Just because snowball feels better emotionally doesn't mean you should use it over avalanche. Let's look at some numbers. Consider two debts, $500 at 12% interest and $3,000 at 4%. Using the debt snowball method could cost you significantly more. Now let's crunch some real numbers. If you owe $500 on a credit card with 12% interest and $3,000 on another at 4%, paying off the smaller one first snowball might cost you about $60 in extra interest compared to avalanche. But here's where it gets tricky. If your high-interest debt is too big and you can't see the finish line, snowball might give you that psychological boost to keep going. So, both methods have their strengths. To sum it up, if saving money is your top priority, go for the debt avalanche method by focusing on high-interest debts first. But if you need quick wins to stay motivated and see progress fast, start with debt snowball. Remember, this is general financial education, not personalized advice. Always consider your specific situation and possibly consult a financial advisor for the best course of action tailored to you. Thanks for watching. We hope we've helped clarify this debt dilemma. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future financial tips.